is Tony Lee. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I am Rita.
Rita.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm very good. Enjoying the weather here in Mexico City.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA, from New York State of New York City. But I'm original from China. Grew up in South America and Venezuela. So hablo español muy bien. Okay. So enjoy the time here in Mexico.
Do you have Mexican family?
I don't. I don't have Mexican family.
What are you doing?
I'm an electrical engineer. I'm a construction manager. I build train and electrical power to power the subway, metro.
Have you come to visit me?
Yes, I'm coming to the weekend just for tourism, to enjoy the Mexico City and have some fun with my friends over here.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you. Again, you have a question?
I am Carla.
Cattle, okay.
How many more times you going to the Seychelles?
I will stay here until Tuesday, November 8th. We're leaving November 8th. So tomorrow, we was here yesterday, today, the day after tomorrow, and we're leaving Tuesday.
Is it the first time that you visit Mexico?
No. Actually, we have several times going to Yucatan and Cancun, but this is the first time for Mexico City.
Do you like the Mexican food?
Yes, actually yesterday the first thing we landed here, we went to a restaurant called Tacuda. This is very good in the Zocalo area. Very good chile, very good taco, very good tamales. Very good, yes.
Which has been the Mexican food that have you tasted?
I have tasted like I said before, taco, tamale, enchilada. But right now they are telling me to go to eat grasshopper and worm.
Really?
Over here, the basic food. I want to try. Yes.
This area is the first place that have you visited?
Yes, for the first tour in Mexico City. Yes, this is the Oakland pyramid. This is the first time we're here.
What is your opinion about the pyramids of Teotihuacan?
Well, very nice, very historic, but according to the guide, the tour, this is a very sacred place for to worship the god, right? This is the culture that worship a lot of the gods, the water, the sun, the moon. I was told the tour guys it's a very sacred place for the people that used to live here.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Finally.
Oh, finally. Okay, okay. So many.
I'm Dani.
Okay.
Would you recommend this country?
What?
Would you recommend this country?
Why did I come to this country, or what? Because it's the culture. I used to live in South America. I like the Latin culture, the people that's very warm here.
What you like in this country?
So many things, but I think it's the food. Right? The food is very good.
Have you tasted tequila, pulque, mezcal?
Tequila, yes, I have to try, but I think not pure tequila, but margarita. I have to try a lot. But I'm now going to try those tequila that the tour guy will bring us. Some of the drinks.
You should taste mezcal or pulque. It's a traditional Mexican drink.
I would let the tour guide know. What is his name?
Pulque.
Pulque. Okay. Oh yes, he gonna be
The guayaba. Yes.
The guayaba. Yes. Pulque. Okay. I will remember that.
What do you think about Mexico?
I've been the first thing I was in Mexico. The people are very nice, very warm. Because when we get in here, people are very polite. Right? Even though they look at me like Asian, but when I talk to Spanish, they were kind of surprised. Oh, they're Spanish, but they are very warm people, very nice people, very polite.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome to Mexico
Yes,
again.
Viva Mexico. Okay.
Viva Mexico.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.